Now here we will discuss now how do earthquakes occur. कैसे earthquakes आते हैं. You know children, remember one thing that earthquakes occur in the crust of the earth. Earth का जो crust है उसी में earthquakes आते हैं. Now you will ask me question, ma'am, what is the crust? I will make you understand here. You know children, our earth is made up of 3 layers. This inner layer, this is known as core, this middle layer, this is known as mantle, and this outer layer is known as crust. So earthquakes जो है वो हमेशा इस लेयर में आते हैं, ना ही कोर में आते हैं ना ही मेंटल में आते हैं. earthquakes occur in this layer, that is outer layer of the earth. You know children, this outer layer, that is this crust, is made up of small fragments. Okay, ये जो crust होता है, outer layer जो earth का होता है, this is made up of small fragments and these fragments are known as tectonic plates. T-E-C-T-O-N-I-C, tectonic plates, P-L-A-T-E-S. These are known as tectonic plates. You know children, these tectonic plates are always moving. They are always in a state of movement. हमेशा ये movement में होते हैं. Movement you understand ना? They change their place. ये यहाँ पे आ जाता है, ये यहाँ पे चला जाता है. So they are always in moving. कभी कभार क्या हो जाता है कि इतना pressure increase हो जाता है इनके बीच में that they collide with one another. इनमें क्या हो जाता है, ये जो टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स है ना, ये कोलाइड हो जाते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ. गॉट इट? दीज टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स कोलाइड विद ईच अदर एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस कोलिजन क्या होता है, जब ये कोलाइड हो जाते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, इट रिजल्ट इन द ट्रम्बलिंग और शेकिंग ऑफ द अर्थ. इससे क्या हो जाता है, हमारा जो अर्थ है उसमें क्या हो जाती है, वाइब्रेशंस हो जाती है. And those vibrations are known as earthquake. Got it? So we can say that when these tectonic plates collide with each other, it causes trembling of the earth surface. Got it? So this is about how do earthquakes occur. I will explain few more points in next